So welcome back to this week's update. This is for the week commencing 3rd of July 2017. I managed $304.45 on 10 trades. You can see the stats there: 60% win rate, 1.7365, so 1.74 reward to risk ratio, and fairly even split between, well, twice as much with shorts than longs. A $422.85 winning streak, maximum drawdown of 189.72. The equity curve for this week looks like that, and the days went like this. This was the 3rd of July. This was Independence Day, I think it is, 4th of July in America, and then we had these on Wednesday and Thursday. I'm 99% likely to just take tomorrow off, hence the reason why I'm doing this now. So let's look back before we move on with today. I'll just pause the video. So this was the equity chart for from the beginning, the inception of the combine, the 23rd of March, all the way up until last Friday in FTP. This is where we were then, and now with the magic of video editing, I'll pause the video and I'll show you quickly what it's like now after this week. And here's what it looks like after this week's trade. So we see I've breached 2,000, had a little bounce off there, and then broken through $2,000 cumulative from the 23rd of March, which was the combine, to the beginning of the combine into this FTP. I'm currently, for what it's worth, it's a meaningless statistic, but just for fun, I'm currently at a pace that's a bit faster than what I completed the combine in. So about 42 days as opposed to 47 days. Here's the thing, the control center of all days since 23rd of March. So you can see I'm hitting this. Today was just about third place, about $260 odd, 61 I think it was, net after commissions, and a $300-ish up week. Yeah, just over 300, so about the same as last week. 4 days as well. Last week was 4 days for ordinary days. This week was 2 trading days plus 2 holiday sessions to get the same result, and it's a decent up week. So the one thing I've learned as well is not to be too rigid with the risk to reward, because I tend to want to hold out for bigger reward for my risk so that I don't need to be right too many times, and this has resulted in giving back a lot of profit. So now what I'm doing is using my technical skills to be able to bail for trades that are sort of 1.5 hour or more, or thereabouts, and just let the distribution figure itself out. And so far so good. So the summary for all trades, every single trade I've taken in the last 3.5 months, the grand win rate total in terms of win rate is 43% profitable and 1.91 to 1 reward to risk. That's all. That's through all the big outlier, the 5-hour trades and the 1 hour and half-hour scratches and everything in between. I've landed at 1.91, and I'm very happy with that statistic. If I was able to maintain that, I'd be very happy, but we'll see what happens. So that's it for that. What, is there anything else I want to cover in this? Let's see. What am I doing? I'll just pause the video. Actually, it's not 1.91 because there's those 3 erroneous trades from the combine, so it's 1.87 and a 43.2% win rate, and that's the expectancy, 0.24. So again, about 4 times the expectancy that a casino can expect at a blackjack table. I'm happy with that. Maximum drawdown in this period has been 583, and the maximum accrual of gains before a loss has been 750. and surprisingly, look at this, all the gains come from longs. But you know what, I'm not even going to bother trying to attempt to exclude shorts, because I've been down that road before and it doesn't work. So as long as the cumulative is profitable, I'm just going to stick with this. And I suppose we can have a look at the days as well, as we're here. 2 to 1 more or less win. For every day that I lose, I win 2, and the winning days are 10% bigger than the losing days. So everything very close to the zero line, but this is the power of trading just above the zero line. You can put in some big numbers, you know, and you know, people are going to say, oh, this is not a big number, but again, move that decimal point place, move that decimal point 1 place to the right, and you got $22,098 in 3.5 months, and I'll take that any year of this decade and any decade of my life, over and over again. So that's it for now, and I will catch you all in the next video. Take care, and bye for now.